Apple never shows publicly.
As the sun climbs over the hills of the Pearl River Delta, light spills across one of the largest smartphone factories on Earth. Beneath the drifting fog and gleaming roofs lies a city of precision, where every detail is built for security, efficiency, and scale. At dawn, the work begins.
Welcome inside Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max factory, Orange Edition. Forklifts ferry raw materials, aluminum slabs, and glass crates through a maze of digital checkpoints. Every pallet is scanned, tagged, and tracked in real time. These brush blocks are the beginning of each Orange Edition frame.
From raw block to finished frame, engineered with absolute precision.
Color holds throughout. Surface is clean.
This precise shows every line of light without a hint of warping. Now we push the panel to full power. Uniform, blinding white at peak brightness. Instant response, zero lag between you.
Focus calibration complete. All optics within tolerance. As the zoom ramps to 15 times, every contour of the distant crane becomes crystal clear. Beneath the glass, the sensor makes micro corrections, moving fractions of a millimeter to keep the frame steady.
The wireless charging coil is aligned with the adhesive ring and set into place. Its connector snaps into the board with a precise click. Next, the bottom of the phone receives its voice, our speaker module, and the subtle pulse of its vibration motor. Both lock in with exacting tolerances.
Diagnostic suite engaged.
CPU check passed. Memory integrity passed.
Drive verification passed.
Sensor calibration passed.
Initiating signal strength. Alignment locked in. Starting scan.
Infrared sweep running.
Mesh complete. Calibration confirmed.
Moving to drop sequence. High-speed camera is live. Launching at 4.5 Gs. Pressure climbing 2 bar.
Holding steady. No leaks.
5 bar reach.
Seal pack.
Polish complete. Unit approved and logged.
Each device is inspected, aligned, and polished before it ever meets a box. Trays glide onto the line and are scanned for accuracy. Seconds later, the phones vanish into pure white housings, ready to ship anywhere in the world. Simply
Fork layers of stretch film pull tight, locking the stack together. Wrapped and banded, the boxes become solid, ready-to-move pallets. Forklifts take over from here, rolling each pallet across the dock. With a precise drop inside the trailer, the load is secured for the road